Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Motorola keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set ringtone on contact number. Friends, you want to set ringtone on contact number in Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to set ringtone on Motorola keypad mobile phone. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Motorola keypad mobile you want to set ringtone on contact number. So friends, now let's see how to set ringtone on contact number. Okay friends, one by one we will talk about. First of all, open your contact list setting, select your number, which number you want to set ringtone. I will select my number, AB number, my number. Option, select, edit option, done. Tap here OK button. You can edit name, you can edit contact number, you can add home number also. Photo, friends, you want to add any photo on this number, if you click here, so you can add photo on contact number, and you want to remove photo, so you can remove photo also. So friends, I will click here ringtone option, click here caller ringtone default option, select, you can select your new ringtone and you can set your new ringtone sound. OK option, caller ringtone will set. Again tap here save option, select OK, ringtone will set on this number. So friends, now if you click here this AB number view option, so friends you can check your caller tune ring 4 and you want to change ringtone. Again click here edit option, caller ringtone is 4. So friends, now I will set here caller 2 ringtone. OK option, save option. After save friends, you can see when you will on this contact number, so you can check this caller tune is 2 ringtone. So like that way you want to set ringtone on contact number, so you can set ringtone and you can change ringtone on contact number in Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, now I will select my number, one more number I will select, edit option, caller tune setting, ringtone settings, select your new ringtone sound, ringtone 2, ringtone 3 you can select. OK option, ringtone sound will add. Save option, ringtone sound will save on this number. So friends, if you select your my number option, so friends if you click here view, you can check your ringtone sound ring 3. So like that way you can set and change ringtone on contact number in Motorola keypad mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.